Hi, I'm going to show you how to install a AmiTCP version 3 on Amiga 4000 with the Hydra Systems network card. So first let's do installation of AmiTCP. So I have a folder. I already on LHA the installation. So let's go install TCPIP. Is to proceed with install for real. Okay, you can actually install in the same folder you are installing from, so I'll choose exactly same folder. System AmiTCP. Okay, proceed. It tells me what kind of device I want. I actually don't have this card, so I don't want it. I don't have this one, I don't want it. I guess we can do that. Okay, I want to install, yes. It's just going to give me default configurations, so I just copy. Do you want to install fonts? Yes. Proceed. Login as root, changing the root password. We're gonna have to go through this, but later on we're gonna delete the login information anyway. So proceed. It's gonna ask me for password. I think it just put something you'll remember. And of course doesn't let me do it. Okay, so default username, so let's call it Amiga, and then proceed. Enter host name of your computer, so let's call it A4000. Proceed. Domain part of your host name, it doesn't really matter what you put, so you can just put amiga.com. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. Do you want aliases? Not really. Okay, now it wants to have a device driver, so what I'm gonna do, let me copy my device driver. I have it installed. Let's see, it's in my work. Hydra driver. Okay, and let me copy that to my system. Devices, and there should be our networks. Okay, and my Hydra goes here. Let me do refresh networks. And there it is. Proceed. Unit 0 IP address. So you need to have IP address available. Mine is 192.168.10.ballots. Whoops. I can pick maybe 25. Proceed. Destination address, we don't need that because this is an Ethernet. Mask. So 255. 0. Yes. Okay, we don't need to set up another device, so just press proceed. Default gateway. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now we need the name servers. Just you can use your I'm using some name servers available for free, so let's install some. Okay, so I only got 2. Press proceed. Do you want to be started at system startup? I actually don't want that because I'm not going to be using it all the time, so I'm going to put no. We're going to change yes. inetd. It is, yeah. Now it's readme, just exit that, and installation complete. But now we need to go edit a couple lines. So let's go edit couple text files. So first let's do a user startup. I just want to make sure everything's correct there. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna delete this login. We don't need the login right here. So what I just need to delete. I need to delete the whole line. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, so let's go save it. File, oops. I'm gonna edit my netdb, my host. Open. Runs. I think it's right there. Okay, we need to edit this file. Actually, we don't need the domain, so we can just delete the domain. Okay. And let's go save it. The next one, let's go edit the interfaces. Open. And parent. I think it's in a binary. I forgot what his interface is. It's not here. This one? Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay. Let's see where the Hydra Systems was put in. Slip. Okay, I don't need that. Let's put a pound. Here. Hey, where's the pound sign? Oh, there it is. Okay, as you can see, my installation did not put the Ethernet Hydra in it, so I need to go modify one. So I don't need this, so let's put pound and pound ArcNet. I don't want that. Okay, so let's go Ether. Now we can probably change that to ETH. And we need to change that devices / networks. Hydra. Okay. And I can change it to Hydra. Now I can save it. Okay, and now the important part is to edit the start net. So we do open. This one. Okay, right there is a mistake in configuration, so our loopback devices should look like if config LO0 to delete this one, and our Hydra device needs to be device system device network Hydra. Okay. Basically, we need to delete that. We do ifconfig. Then that Ethernet or ETH 0, and then we have an IP address and a mask. And let me see if everything's correct here. Okay, ifconfig ETH 0 network, then it's a mask. We got a root, we have a gateway. Okay, I think this is correct. So now I'm gonna save it. And I think this is it, so let's go see if it works. Let me go reboot the computer. Let's go exit this, exit that, and 3-finger salute. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, well, it doesn't know where that is, so okay. First, what we need to do, we have to go and start the AmiTCP. So inside, let's go check all the files. So just double click on that, press OK, and now let's type start net. Okay, so looks like I've got no errors, and let's check if everything works. First, let's go ping the loopback address. Okay, looks like it's working. Control C. Let's go see if we can ping our own IP address. Looks like it's working. And let's see if we can ping the gateway. Alright. And let's see if we can ping google.com. Okay. Okay. There's one more thing I had to do. I'm not sure if it's relevant or not, but I think I have to add a line in a password file. I've seen it in docs, it says to do it, so I just did it in the background. It's under DB password. Okay. What I did, I just added this line. So you can zoom in. So it's an Amiga asterisk 1000 1000 Amiga user work and then CLI. So that's the only line I added. I don't know if it's needed or not. It just shows that it needs to be there, so I just did it. Okay, so let me exit this. As you can see, it works now. I think I have a browser, so let's go check it out. If we can surf the web under programs, should be AWeb. I don't know, it's my first time on this computer. Let's see, Google. Let's accept. Yay, Google works. Let's search for Amiga. Okay, I got Wikipedia. It looks ugly, but it works. Okay. Let's exit that. Okay. Well, that concludes our demonstration. One more thing, if you want to shut down the networking, just do a stop net. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go see if it works. So I got errors, says needs to be started. So stop networking. Okay. I hope that helped you installing TCP on Amiga 4000 with a network card. It should be similar with the other versions of network cards. You just have to change the interface's configuration and the start net. Okay, thank you. Bye.